Hello everyone, great to have your company yet again on Kalkine TV. Sage here, you're watching the Buzzing Trends. And today we'll discuss why some of the dairy stocks were trading in the green yesterday on the ASX. As per the Australian Bureau of Agricultural and Resource Economics and Sciences outlook for the dairy industry, a constrained global milk market and strong demand for Australian dairy is to influence the dairy market prices. Strong export demand from China and tight global milk supply are likely to push prices further from the highs of January and February of 2022. While there is a demand pull on dairy prices on the supply side, Australian dairy production has reportedly been on the decline. The recent flooding is also anticipated to have had an impact. Dairy analysts also expect prices to remain high till mid-2022. Milk prices have been soaring globally amidst the high global demand and supply chain disruptions. Investors are cautious and have been watching the ASX-listed dairy stocks keenly. Against this backdrop, let's now look at how the ASX-listed dairy stocks like Bega Cheese, A2 Milk Company and Bubs Australia performed yesterday. Beginning with Bega Cheese. And yesterday the shares of Bega Cheese grabbed investors' attention after the company provided an update on its performance outlook in an ASX announcement. Bega shares traded 1.167% higher at $5.20 Australian per share on the ASX during the intraday trading session yesterday after the company revealed that COVID-led disruptions are expected to result in its full-year direct costs exceeding 40 million Australian dollars. The stock's currently trading at $5.16, down by 0.58%. Bega Cheese, an ASX-listed Australia-based dairy and cheese company, also stated that several factors such as floods in Central Australia, Northern New South Wales and Queensland, the Ukraine crisis and lockdowns in China disrupted the delivery of its products to customers. The share price of Bega Cheese Limited has fallen 19.33% in the last 1 year, while the stock has declined 7.23% so far in 2022. According to the company, the improvement in global commodity markets and reduction in the second half of the 2022 financial year national milk production has further accelerated competition for milk, with most dairy companies, including Bega Cheese, raising farm gate milk prices. The company has forecasted a normalised EBITDA in the range of 175 to 190 million Australian dollars. Moving on now to A2 Milk Company. And yesterday the share price of ASX-listed New Zealand-based infant formula company A2 Milk Company Limited traded 2.608% higher at $4.72 Australian per share on the ASX. The rise in the company's share price was seen, though the company did not issue any new announcements on the ASX. In the last 1 year, A2 Milk Company's shares have fallen 40.68%, while the stock is down 15.59% in 2022. The stock's currently trading at $4.66 Australian, down by 1.27%. The company's revenue so far in 2022 is slightly lower than the first half of 2021, declining 2.5% to New Zealand $660.5 million, mainly impacted by changing market dynamics in China. And the company has a market capitalisation of 3.42 billion Australian dollars. Lastly for today, Bubs Australia. Shares of Bubs Australia Limited were spotted trading 2.631% higher on the ASX yesterday. Bubs shares rose, though there was no market-sensitive announcement issued by the infant milk producer today, and the rise in the company's share price could be due to the overall performance of the consumer staples industry, which was over 1% higher yesterday. The stock's currently trading at 48 cents Australian. Bubs Australia Limited is an Australian ASX-listed company with a market capitalisation of 291.06 million Australian dollars. Bubs shares have risen almost 3.62% in the last 12 months, while the stock is up 1.46% in 2022. And thanks for your company on that report. We'll be back with our Buzzing Trends show tomorrow to share the latest market insights with you. Till then, stay tuned with Kalkine TV for more of the stock, business and economy related hot trends. Sage signing off for now.